running after us, babe.
He's chasing us.
Yeah, he's down the bridge.
He's like, what? I'm gonna go for a walk too.
You guys are all like, oh, oh, oh. It's okay, girls. Oh.
Hi, buddy. What's up, dude?
When can we get back?
I don't know. No, we're not going to listen. All right, you're gonna hold up traffic, dude. Oh! All right.
Ooh.
Hi, girls.
Oh, look at him, Savannah. What do you think? Do we go this way, Tamara? Okay, let's go this way.
Oh, I think he's more afraid of us than we are of him. Go this way. Oh, well, that's cool. He's not trying to hurt us.
Maybe he's in a wind.
Nuh-uh. Auntie should go touch it.
Cool.
Please.
I dare me.
The little boy touched him. Why can't you?
Little boy, he's following us. Come on. Come on, buddy.
He knows we're different.
Come on, buddy. He's following me. He knows we're different.
He wants more of it.
When we saw he saw.
I must have been created by the same man that you serve.
Oh, my Victoria.
Who said that?
What are you doing, Daddy? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Martha.